Say hi.
Welcome to
Hello.
us again.
Morning, everyone.
To see the animals.
Welcome to the Panglea family.
Welcome to our family. Where are we going today?
The farm.
Today we're going to the farm.
Yeah, we're gonna go see some animals today. So we're gonna record a little bit of the journey, but it's quite,
Yeah.
it's
It's a bit of a longer journey.
yeah. So
Yeah.
we'll stop when you're on the
Exactly
freeway.
where the journeys come from.
Yeah,
We're gonna go to Hounslow Urban Farm.
that's it.
I actually grew up in Hounslow, which is near Heathrow Airport.
Yeah,
So we're gonna go to Hounslow Urban Farm. It's a really nice petting sort of farm type thing
yeah,
where you can feed the animals.
yeah. And they do sort of
Yeah.
like shows and stuff like that with the owls. We took Harvey when she was about 6 months old, but she didn't really enjoy it as much.
Yeah, because she's too little
She was
to
little,
remember.
yeah.
So
And
so
Finn
thi-
loves animals. He's quite, isn't he? He's
they'll
quite
enjoy it
touchy.
more, but being that Javi's 4 and Phoenix is almost 3, so
Yeah.
they'll have a lot more fun there now. So we're gonna go there,
Exactly.
spend a few hours there,
Yeah, gonna go
run
there.
around,
Yeah.
terrorize some animals
Oh,
with
the
these
te-
two terrors.
The animals are gonna terrorize them. We'll see.
It's because of these two terrors that we're taking with us.
Exactly. So yeah, you can enjoy some of the journey there, and,
And
we'll
our little
see
trip to the
you
farm.
Yeah.
So if you need any ideas, that's one idea for taking the kids out.
Yeah, definitely.
Go to the farm.
Yeah. So let's go.
Let's go.
Okay.
See you soon.
See you
Say
later.
bye. See you soon.
Say
See
see
you
you
soon.
later.
Tired.
Bye. I touched the tire. Yeah.
He touched the tire, got his hands dirty,
Yeah.
and he's got a white t-shirt on. He's trying to touch it, so I've told him
Wow.
off. No.
Yeah. So see you guys. See you when we get there. Take care.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Are you just gonna run back?
One should be enough. Or should I get another one?
You get another one.
Can I get another
I think it's just easier.
one? I haven't put it through yet. Oh,
Oh, thank you.
oh great. Oh, thank you.
That's food.
Bird food. Yay! I'll put it in my bag. Are you excited, Finn?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Tell YouTube people how excited you are.
I'm so excited.
Have you got what are you holding in your
On
hand?
my hand. Food?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Animal food.
Animal
Okay.
food, not bird food.
Oh, touch it.
I don't switch to fine Finn, do you like the fish?
Which one's your favourite fish, Finn?
Green.
The green.
Yeah.
You know green fish in there?
Queen.
A green.
Look at
Green
that.
fish.
Yeah. See the sign says don't throw any money, and also it tells you all about the fish. And these fish are called the common goldfish. They're quite big for goldfish, aren't they?
Green.
Yeah.
Why should they not
Whoa! Look at that big one. Big one. Just give me a finger. Go. Oh, that's so lovely. He likes it. You want to touch it?
I'm sure it's like
Gently. Gently. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, bless. You like his tail.
Yeah, what's that?
The lady's gonna bring it. Oh, wow.
Good. You should tell me I'll bring the big spider. No? Guys, can you come out with the
No! I got scared, mate.
I saw his head. I could see what was going to happen. I could see it. You know when you can see the head from behind, I thought he's going to freak now when he sees the head. Finn, what happened?
Look, there's a little bunny coming. A little bunny rabbit's
Finn,
coming.
what happened?
A little bunny. You know what? That's what it is.
Finn, what happened? Did you get scared? No. No, you didn't. You're not scared. You're a big boy.
Anything fluffy.
Wanna hold that one?
That's a gerbil.
Yeah?
Abby's scared.
Mini chinchilla.
Yeah, of course you can.
See?
Hey, baby.
Gerbil.
Hey. You wanna hold it? Put your hands together.
He's
No, you
scared.
can. You can. You want to open? She wants it.
That's gerbil.
Oh.
Abby, leave it. If you're scared, don't do it.
No! Hold it. Don't be scared. Touch it. You
He'll
stroke
drop it,
then.
leave it.
Stroke it. This one. Look, it's bigger. Oh, hello, baby. Stroke it. There you go. You like it?
See, Daddy's scared of animals, so that's why he's not in the video.
Yeah? No, he doesn't want to eat it. Oh, there you go. You've got lots of biscuits. I'm having the best day ever.
Is it the best day ever?
Yeah? Oh, look.
Look,
Look at this one.
look,
What
we've
about
got
this
another
little
mouse.
baby? Put your hands up. Look, it's only little. Oh, he's so cute. Yeah? Okay, you can hold him. Okay, give me your hand. And then no, you won't. He's very soft. Give me your hand. Oh, well done,
Good boy, Finn. Well
there
done.
You go. Abby, give me your hand. Okay, there you go. There you go.
Good boy, good girl.
You wanna hold it? He's tickling. He's tickling. Yeah? There you go. You're just a poo-poo. Not long. This is almost the end.
I am, and that's where you get it from.
Daddy's scared of animals.
I'm not an animal person at all. At all. That's like a big rat. Oh
You
man,
were very upset.
I think this is a bad idea. I should have stayed on that side.
Yeah, are you scared?
I should have carried on filming.
He's cute.
Come here.
No, he's gonna come and see you.
He's coming. Come and sit here.
Are you ready, Daddy?
I'm
Are you
scared.
ready? Don't be scared.
I'm
He's
scared.
so fluffy.
I'm scared.
He's so fluffy. You love
Oh,
it.
do you love it?
Yeah.
You love it.
Fin,
I'm not scared. Abby, I'm not scared.
Fin.
Come on.
Fin.
High five. Let's do
Fin.
this.
Fin. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yes.
We're not scared. We're not scared. Bring it on.
There's some ducks coming.
We're not scared of these big fluffy rats.
Listen, there's some ducks coming. Happy?
I'm not gonna hold it.
Happy?
I'm gonna go watch our hands.
The lady's coming with the animal and Giles is getting scared. Don't. I don't think you can hold the duck. There you
No, I
go.
don't wanna hold it. Come on, strike it. Look, strike
What's
it. You
this
wanna strike
animal?
it?
Chinchilla.
Ah, it's a chinchilla.
I don't wanna hold it.
You don't want to hold it, baby.
Nah.
It's really big.
Oh, come on.
Do you wanna stroke it? Stroke it. Oh, good
Oh,
boy,
well
Finn.
done, Finn.
Well
Well
done.
done. Come on, Daddy.
I ain't holding it.
Come on, Dad. Come on.
He's so cute.
Oh, well
good job,
done,
Abby.
Happy.
Abby, don't take your
Well
hands away.
done. Oh.
I'm saying.
Look, there's the duck.
You wanna hold it?
Say hello.
Hello, duck.
It's cool.
Your friend.
Hang on. All right. There you go. Hello, chicken. You want to stroke him, Happy?
Abby,
You want to stroke him?
stroke the chicken.
All right. You want to hold him, Finn? All right.
Good boy,
There you
Finn.
go. Well done.
Well
Lift his
done.
legs. On your lap. On your lap.
Put it on your lap.
There you go. Oh,
Don't hold
just
it.
run away. There you go.
Good boy.
There you go. Well done, Finn.
Aww.
Oh, don't push him. Don't push him. Don't push him.
He's very cute.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. You like him, Finn?
Yeah.
Is there more animals? No. That's it. No, that's it? Thank you.
Did you enjoy that, guys?
Yeah, come on, did you enjoy it? Yeah. Finn, did you enjoy it? Yeah, high five. Tell Daddy, which animals did you like? The duck?
What's your favourite?
Or the little rat?
What was your favourite animal?
Let's go. Do you want to go see a big fat pig? Yeah. Is Daddy gonna be brave?
I hate animals.
Oh, you were such a girl.
You've got spit on me.
Do it again.
Nah, mate. Yeah, I'm done.
Come on, baby.
He slobbered all over me.
Oh my God, it's so funny. Come on. What you do it?
Let him do it. He's a brave one. Aww.
Yeah.
Look at the farm.
Look, you took so long. Up here. Come on. Yes, get out. Good job. One more? We like your feet. Do you want some nail polish on there? Do you? It's so big. Yeah, man, you don't know.
Are you on the big
Hey,
bit?
son. Hey, you're doing good.
Abby, be gentle.
You like it, Fifi?
Loves us.
Ooh. Yeah, Habs.
Sweet. Finn, what is it about crisps that you like so much? You love them. Why? Why do you love crisps?
Because you don't give them to me often enough.
Why do you love them?
Because you hold out on crisps.
What do you love? What do you love more, mummy, daddy, or crisps? What's your most love? Ah, yeah, bro. Give me some love.
What about me?
What do you love the most? Crisps, mummy, or daddy?
Daddy and mommy.
So you're neutral, mate. Nice one, Abby.
Daddy.
Daddy wins 2-1.
I love Daddy.
I love Daddy,
no,
man.
You got 1.5.
Daddy wins 2-1.
You're 1.5.
Run, piggies! Run! Run, piggies!
Shooting.
Oh, he's a little cheater.
That's number 5 right there.
How much for your pig?
Yeah. Good girl. Number 4.
Was that Abby's pig?
Okay, so we just finished our day at the Airbird farm. Did you have fun, Javi?
Yeah!
Yay! Finn, did you like it?
Finn?
No.
No,
Why
Finn
not?
didn't like it. You didn't like feeding the animals.
No.
You didn't like
I
the
thought
pigs.
it was good. I had a good time.
We had a brilliant time apart from Finn.
And I wasn't
Look
scared.
at the camera.
I wasn't scared at all.
Yeah, right. Daddy
Yeah,
was the most
yeah,
scared.
yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, mate,
He was
I
so
was
scared.
fine.
I was actually really
was fine.
surprised. I thought I wasn't scared of animals, but I was scared of the snake.
The snake
That
was
snake was
scary.
huge. I was just like, oh no,
When that head came round from behind. Yes, buddy.
So I have a fear of snakes, apparently.
Yes, buddy. What
What
do you
was
want?
your favorite pig?
I like the pony, but obviously.
Yeah?
I like the
Finn liked the pony.
What
Oh,
did you like, Finn?
pony.
You like the
pony?
pony as well?
Oh, good. Okay.
I like unicorns.
Cool.
Where's the camera?
We'll have to.
Yeah?
I like unicorns the best.
Okay, Javi likes the unicorn.
Too.
You
I like the
unicorns too?
owls. They were flying
Okay.
and eating really fast.
Yeah, the owls was really cool.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Okay, so
guys,
anyway, I think we're gonna call it a day now.
The babies are tired. We've had a great time, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye. Hey guys, this is where our first date was. All but one. Which one brings back memories?
And we sat in that corner, didn't we?
Yeah, that was the corner.
Yeah, we sat in that corner. And this is
We
where...
came here a couple of times. Remember, this is where I told you I was going to go to India as well.
Yeah.
And my
This
mum and
is
dad were
where
going to make
it
me
all
listen there.
began.
And where I was going to be looking at Indian girls in India.